This silicone shoe cover that keeps your shoes clean even in the nastiest MUD. This thing that lets you roll up your toothpaste to get every last drop. This medical water bag that slowly drips water into your plant while you're away. The screen disc that instantly expands into a hamper and makes collecting laundry much easier. When it comes to these lights, these lines are the secret sauce, and here's why. There's 10 in a box. You connect them together, stick them to anything you want in any way. Don't worry, the app will show you how, and when you turn them on, they look like 3D cubes, and the lighting effects you can choose from are endless. These fuzzy stick-on cushions that make your toilet more comfy. This deceiving can of corn that's actually used for hiding stuff in plain sight. Packed in an aluminum case that unlocks with a twist, this screwdriver has 3 torque settings and a mini flashlight that kicks in automatically, strong enough to handle drywall. It charges via USB-C, has forward and backward buttons for easy control, and holds 12 bits in its case. Quick fixes just got a whole lot easier. This thing has regular outlets that are perfectly spaced out for those awkward plugs, a master power switch along with 2 USB and 2 USB-C ports that are strong enough to charge your laptop and 6 other devices at the same time. This might be the best portable charger that exists. It's 100 watts with 4 ports, 2 of which can even charge a laptop. On top of the percentage and power consumption data, it will also show you in minutes the estimated time left to charge the power bank.